So guys, as you know that when we are going to select this clip here, so there are the option, this diamond type button are appears here. So when these are everywhere in which we are going to edit something like audio also have this in animations, in adjusting when we are going to scroll it down. Here we also have this diamond button. So what are these buttons? So these are the buttons for manual animation between the two videos. Okay, for example, I'm going to drag this line here on the starting of this video. Now I'm going to select this. Now I am to transform, so I'm going to select this diamond button. So as you can see that all the diamond button are being selected. Okay, so now you can see that here is an key. Here is an keyframe on the starting. So when I'm going to drag it a little bit forward, then I'm again here, it removes all the selection of diamond button. So I'm again going to select the diamond button. So here is another keyframe. So I'm going to drag it on little bit more forward, and I'm again going to select it. So there is three keyframe on our one clip. So what are they are doing basically in our video? So for example, I'm going to the second keyframe here. I'm going to increase its size here. So now when I'm going to play it, it automatically seems like an animation in our video. So in further advanced video, the whole video is done by this keyframe. So we can also smooth our keyframe here. If our keyframe is not smooth here, so we can also smooth it. So simply we can also delete it by clicking on it, and then we are going to click right click here, then we can delete it. So this is not really difficult to use, but it is very important to know that how we can use it, because it is really and good technique in our whole video editing video. I'm going to select a keyframe here. So now I'm going to play it again. I'm going to make some changes in this keyframe. I'm going to decrease the size of the video. So now you can see that how it seems like an animation to our video. So we can also edit this animation. We can make it more softer, more by right click on them, on it, and we can copy it, and we can simply just paste to the forward one. Okay, so this is the basic use of this keyframe here in this video. So we can adjust it by dragging it forward and back. So we can also adjust some animation like up and down and resolution, rotate. This depends upon us that which type of editing we are going to do and which type of animation we are going to make with our own creativity. So this is basically the thing I am going to tell you, that what is the creativity, what is your creativity. Always work with your creativity so you can make a good animation by selecting the effects that already the CapCut has provided, you can also make your own effects. You can make your own animation to your videos that will preview you a great sign of creativity. So this is the basic lecture of the keyframe. What is a keyframe and how it is used? The keyframe is a animation or editing or effect between the two clips or two videos or one clip with two parts. Okay, so this is all about the keyframe.